Hello guys, welcome back to Install It Right. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download and install XAMPP on Windows. XAMPP is a free and open source software package that allow you to run Apache, MySQL, PHP and Perl on your local system. It is widely used for PHP development, WordPress, Laravel and backend testing. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, open any web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome and search for XAMPP. The first link is the official link to download XAMPP. Click on the download. The link is mentioned in the description box. Here you will see different versions of XAMPP for Windows. I recommend downloading the latest stable version compatible with your system. Click on the download button for Windows. Wait for a moment. If the download doesn't start automatically, click here. As you can see, the installer file start downloading. Wait until the download is completed. XAMPP usually take longer time to download. I will see you once the setup is downloaded successfully. As you can see, the setup is downloaded successfully. Click on the downloaded setup file. It will ask for admin permission. Click on yes to continue. Minimize the browser window. The installation wizard will pop up. Click on next. On this screen, you will see list of components like Apache, PHP, MySQL, phpMyAdmin and others. For beginners, I recommend keeping it to default. Make sure Apache, MySQL, PHP and phpMyAdmin are selected and click on next. Now select the installation location. I am keeping it to default. You can change the installation location by click on file icon. Click on next. Choose the language that you want. I am keeping it to English and click on next. Again click on next. The installation process has started. It may take few minutes. Please wait until it completes. Once everything is done, check mark the option do you want to start the control panel now and click on finish. The XAMPP control panel will open automatically. Here you will see modules like Apache, MySQL, FileZilla and many more. Click on the start button for Apache. Then click on start for MySQL. If both the modules turn green, that means XAMPP is running successfully. Now open your web browser and in the address bar type localhost and press enter. If you see XAMPP welcome page, congratulations, XAMPP has been installed successfully on your Windows system. That's it from this video. In this tutorial, we learned how to download, install and test XAMPP on Windows. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to Install It Right for more easy software installation tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.